You know, there's a few surprises and things they didn't tell us about in the new iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and the Pro Max. Let me tell you about them. Hey, Zach Pack. Welcome back to Zach Talks Tech. My name is Zach. Let's talk about the tech that you love. So like I said, there's some surprises and some changes with the camera settings on the new iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and the Pro Max. This might be across iOS in general, but what I want to do is I want to walk you guys through these settings. So go ahead and grab your iPhone 11, 11 Pro, Pro Max, and if you click that little arrow at the very top there, you're going to see it brings up some more icons at the bottom there. You're going to see the default is 4:3. Now the iPhone is able to do a 16:9, boom, just like that. Now it is a cropped in photo, okay? But you're still getting a 16:9 photo. You can go ahead and turn it like this. You can see that, and you can get a large photo. If I were to go back to 4:3, you'll see that the photo looks like that. So again, here's a 4:3, there's a 16:9, okay? So now if we go back, we can also pick our wide angle and our zoomed in, okay? Now the default setting on the iPhone will revert that back. So if you pick 16:9 and you close the camera app, the next time you go in, it's gonna be 4:3. So the way you preserve that is you go into your settings, go down to camera. From here, you wanna click on preserve settings. From here, you can turn on or off the camera mode, so revert the last settings, and the creative controls such as the filter, aspect ratio, things like that. So this will allow you to preserve those settings. If you were last in the video mode, 16:9, different things like that. So you can definitely preserve those settings the way you want it. So you're always taking a nice wide photo, or maybe you prefer that 4:3, or maybe you want that square photo, look kind of thing. It's up to you. But now you can preserve those settings through this menu here. So there you guys go, just a quick tutorial on the new preserve settings there on the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, Pro Max. Let me know if you've tried that out. Let me know if you have it on an older model of iPhone. I'm not completely sure if it's available, but it should be with some of the new iOS updates. Kind of nice that you can do that. I really like that I can, save it to 16:9 because I'm used to taking those wide photos, for example, with my Galaxy phone, and always going back to 4:3 was just super, super annoying. So now that I can do that, awesome. If this video's helped you guys out, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well. Leave me a hashtag ZachPack down in the comment section. You're part of my Zach Pack, and I'm glad you're here. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers.